everybody. This is Gokshing Media, and welcome to a live press release. And what this is a 15-minute piece where we talk to someone in the industry, and we have Orbit with us today. We have Monk, and we're talking about OrbitFund and pairing with the press release that has gone out today. Monk, welcome to the show, and thanks for your time.
Thank you, Ross. Thank you.
So you have a press release going out today, and you have now opened deposits for OrbitFund. Can you explain how things have gone in developing this, and what would you like to tell everyone about it?
Yeah. So basically, first thing that I want to say is Orbit is an ecosystem with different products. Today, we will focus solely on OrbitFund, but it is one of 4 different products that we have under Orbit in its ecosystem. So the OrbitFund basically it is very simple. It is a decentralized hedge fund, kind of. So people can deposit BUSD. They hold M31. This is basically the key that gives them access to the fund and to different type of level of up to ROI per month. We have tier 7 that is tier 7 that is 7% per month, and tier 1 that is up to 10% per month. Basically, holders hold the M31. They invest BUSD in the fund for a period of 28 days, so 4 consecutive calendar weeks. And at the end of the month, they can, they have to withdraw their initials and their ROI. It is pretty simple.
So you are forcing the community to withdraw their funds as you develop your ecosystem. Explain that, because that's really interesting.
Yeah, so the thing that we want to do is, so of course, when you start a product, like a big project with different products, and each product, even in the Orbit fund, the first product that we have is just product 1. We'll have different products in the fund. We have to make sure that everything is working smooth. We also want to ensure people and to build the trust with our community of investors in the Orbit fund by making them interact with the contract, with the fund, by depositing, withdrawing. They can redeposit for the next trading period, like directly after, but they will have to do an interaction after a few months where they see the fund is working well, where they know how it works, where they kind of took the habit of using it. They will be able to use the feature that we will introduce, I think, in 4 months from now, which will be an auto compound feature. So basically, you will be able to deposit in the fund. You will probably have to put your wallet, like staking or something. We have to work on that, and then you can let it run for a period of 6 months, for a year, how you wish, and you can come when it's done, and you will see the compounding effect of the money that you've put in the fund. So basically, this product is, everything I build with my team is around passive income, around making money, around empowering them in their life with financial power. So either direct product like the Orbit Fund or other product to help them make better decisions and stuff. So Orbit Fund is there to give you the best opportunity in a simple way, in a secure way, to have access to a beautiful passive income. 7% a month, it is up to 7% and up to 10%. 10% a month, I think it is 3.1x a year your investment. So you put 10K BUSD, which is basically a stable coin for dollar, in the fund. At the end of the year, you can have something like 31K. So 3x your money in a period of a year. And the thing that I want to build here is really like educate people into their investment, because I also don't tell them like invest everything in the Orbit fund. You shouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that myself, so I will not tell people you should do that. You should have investment here, have real estate, have gold, have hedges, have active trading, maybe have even algos that are more risky. You should, maybe some people trade different kind of assets that are very, very volatile. So you can make a lot, but you can lose a lot. So the Orbit fund, the first product of the Orbit fund, the risk I would say is low to mid risk, but like low mid risk. So it is pretty safe. Of course, there is a risk. You can lose some money. How we manage the risk, you can't lose everything, because for us to lose all of your money, we would have to have, I think, like 6 red months in a row. And the trader behind trading the fund, it's a real human, 20 years of experience of trading, is a professional. So risk management, dedicated allocation for the day, minimal leverage in a market that is a little bit tight. So there is a a real attention that has been put there, and it's not only in terms of technicality of the smart contract. It's the smart contract, the dev, the trader in the back. So it's all of it to help you guys make a passive income. Actually, that's it.
So that's incredible.
I build the product. I build the product that I would love to be able to use. That's what I do.
So obviously you've learned from being in the industry and looking how DeFi has developed over the years. We're still in the first time period where projects like yours are spreading risk allocation and capital allocation that banks could never do.
Yeah, 100%. And why it can be so successful also is because, nobody will come in our phone and deposit like 50 million. If somebody deposits 50 million, then we cannot do 10% a month. It's impossible. If we do that, we would need at least 25 traders, very good, and it is difficult. It is very difficult. But with an amount between, I would say, 500K to 3 million, it is something that is possible. Yeah, but this is why the investment fund, the big hedge fund, they can do maybe, if they're really good, really good, trending markets, bull run something, they can do like 20 points a year, which is amazing. But we managed to have something like 10 points a month.
Oh, I love it. That's incredible. So as this develops and people have more questions about this, the power behind it is really that they understand it. And so we see that you want to educate people, and we're going to support that as well as Gauching Media. If we feel like if people understand the tokenomics of your project, we all win. Is that a strategy that you believe in?
100%. I mean, at the end of the day, if you build a crypto project, you have to gain the trust of holders. If not, your project will not make it because you depend on the people. So you have to first convince them to follow you. This is what I did already. Then you have to deliver to really build that trust. And then you have to bring real utility for them to be able to use the product to not to make money. Our product is to make money, but some people do other stuff, which is also great. But our product are focusing on helping them make money. And if you do that, then you deliver the real value that they were waiting for. So you can continue to build on and create that type of snowball effect that is constantly growing. And for us to be successful, we need to have a few million in the fund to be able to have a revenue stream for the company, so it will be the revenue stream for the company, which will then enable us to drop the tax on buy and the sell side, have a, let's say, a tier 1 quality tokenomics, which is free to buy, free to sell. And then we can list on exchange and grow our project. And I often say project, but we are more a company. When project, it seems like it's a little bit like we try. I see ourselves like a real company, and yeah.
Well, we're excited to see your company with the next products that come out that also support this ecosystem. That's going to be exciting as well. So the community that's watching this now or reading the press release, they can go to your website at orbitlaunch.io and learn more about this product and also the other ones that are coming out. And you have quite an aggressive timeline on this as well for releases.
Yeah. My view is I like to work fast. It's not easy because you really have to push. I'm a bit tired, as you can see, I guess. Like one product a month.
Yeah,
one product a month.
I love
the first month with 2 products. So yeah, it is a challenge. In this space, also the time it's contracted. 1 year in crypto is probably like 5 to 6, 7 years in the real world. So 1 month in crypto is probably like 6 months in real life. Mm-hmm. And for us, it's a lot of work, and we put the effort and we deliver. But for the people in the community and stuff, I think it's pretty normal because they're like, yeah, of course we deliver. We are doing it fast, you know.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. It's exciting to see development so fast in our industry, especially with companies like yours. But we see traditional finance; they're just not built the same way, and the opportunity is not there.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, you have to also, why we can do that, I think, is because we are decentralized. Mm-hmm. Everything is run by smart contract, no KYC, nothing. If you go to a hedge fund, first of all, you have to have 500K minimum of best capacity. So you have to have assets probably above 2 million. and then you have to go through a process of something between 1 month and 3 months to find a partner, and then to open your account there is another 2 months, another month of KYCing where you have to show everything to then make 10%, 15% a year. So it is, I mean, we are talking to different people here because we are serving the people in the crypto space that maybe want to invest between, you know, a few $1,000s to maybe $50,000, $100,000. But I think this is the range of people we are talking to in the space right now with our product.
I agree. Absolutely. Well, thanks for breaking that down. If anyone wants to check out the press release, you can go to Gokchin Media /press releases, and we'll have the link below here. And we'll continue to watch and share as you release more information about OrbitFund and your other products. Monk, we appreciate you coming on to share this with everyone today.
Thank you so much, Ross. Thank you, Gokchin Media, and see you soon.
Sounds great. Thanks.